Being a student in 2025 is actually both exciting and quite frustrating. You've got a lot of knowledge to cram, got a lot of things to do, an exam to prepare for, tests to do, and lecturers are not even helping with these activities. That is why technology exists to help you become a better student and a more productive student. According to statistics, over 50% of students are already using AI to study smarter and stay ahead, faster assimilation, doing better with examinations because they're able to prepare better, doing their assignment better, and a lot more. So today I'm going to show you top AI tools that are best for students in 2025 and beyond. See, these tools will definitely help you not to kill your creativity, but to harness it, not to kill your study time, but to help you study faster. It will help you save time and save stress as a student. And make sure you stick around to the end, as I will be mentioning a game changer tool that can help you prepare for exam so that you do better in your exam. Are you ready? So let's go. The number one tool that I'll be mentioning, which is not quite surprising, is ChatGPT or Claude. And then you might be wondering, but I use ChatGPT every day. Can you help me write essays? Can you help me, solve these mathematical problems and a lot more like that? But that is not the only thing you can use ChatGPT for. So it's not about asking AI that can you write me this essay. That's even a bad idea. That's not the right way to prompt. Professors are even smarter than that. They will know that you wrote this thing with ChatGPT, right? You can also use it to paste your lecture notes and ask it to give you 5 bullet points from this lecture notes. You can use it to turn chapters into flashcards for self-quizzing and just to test yourself with the knowledge that you've gained in class. And you can even use it to create practice exam questions from your notes. So it's not just about writing your essay or doing the mini task. You can also use it as a study buddy. So you can think of it as a study buddy that organizes your notes for you and help you study better. So now, moving to the next tool. The next tool is Perplexity AI. Imagine Google search, but with actual brain. So instead of scrolling to 10 random blogs for a research paper, Perplexity actually gives you a summarized answer with references you can cite. This is actually good when you are working with essays and dissertations. The next tool is Quizlet AI. If you struggle with memorization or you find it hard to memorize quickly, this tool is your best friend. It takes your notes or uploaded materials and instantly creates quizzes, flashcards, and even study games. This tool is super powerful, and I think if I actually had this when I was in school, maybe, I think this would be so good for people studying courses like biology, some in-depth courses that can actually help you memorize quickly and do, and learn some definitions and all of these things faster. So it's more like you are gamifying your study. You literally go from boring revision to engaging revision. Isn't that cool? Now the next tool is Consensus or Elicit AI, more like a research AI. So if you are into research heavy courses, this is a great tool for you. If you are studying a course that requires you to do a lot of research, Consensus is your go-to. This AI can scan academic findings or academic research and pull out key findings for you without missing anyone. So instead of spending 3 days or 5 days reading 20 to 30 PDFs, you literally just get what you need in minutes. So this is very, very good for dissertation and lead to review. Now, moving to the writing better part of a student life, how you can write better with AI and, give the best essay project for your lecturers and supervisors. The fifth tool I'll be mentioning is Grammarly or Pro Writing Aid. I know that a lot of you know Grammarly to just use to, how many score did I get with this my essay? No, you can actually use Grammarly for more than that. I understand that maybe most of the features are paid, but you can still use the free AI feature of Grammarly. And what does it do? So they help you improve clarity and flow, match your tone to the audience you are writing for, either professional or academic or anything like that, and also help you avoid plagiarism mistakes by rephrasing smartly for you. So see it as a personal editor for every essay that you write. The next tool is Notion AI. Notion is quite popular for documentation and SOPs and a lot more, but it is actually a very good tool for students as well. See Notion AI as your personal study planner on steroids. You know AI, they don't get tired. They actually help you at every point in time that you need it. So see it as your personal study planner. And what can you do with Notion AI? So you can generate to-do lists for your assignment, create a study plan in minutes, and you can ask it to turn messy notes into clean outlines for you. Maybe you were in class and you were just writing, the lecturer was so fast, you were just writing different things scattered everywhere. You can actually use Notion AI to organize your thoughts or your notes just so that you can have a more streamlined and more arranged notes. So if you are juggling multiple classes, Notion AI actually keeps your brain uncluttered. It's a very good tool. The next tool is Otter.ai. I don't know if you've heard of Otter.ai, but most organizations, professional people use Otter.ai for meetings, to be able to summarize meetings, send meeting notes to attendees or people that they had meeting with, and a lot more. But students can also use it. So if you went for a class and you're not able to take note because your lecturer is so fast, you could record your lecturer and turn that audio into notes with Otter.ai. In terms of summary, it gives you the bullet points, the action steps. Maybe your lecturer mentioned that you should do an assignment. It actually tells you exactly what your lecturer says, and you're able to just organize your class through Otter.ai and by recording audio. I remember when I was in school, if we are not able to get what the lecturer is saying, we could just bring out our phone and record. Especially if you are sitting in front, you can record your lecturer's voice and listen to it later. Otter.ai can actually help you be organized, because sometimes you get tired of even listening to the voice notes, right? So this is a very big tool to help you organize. Not only does it capture everything word for word, so you can also search for specific exam topics like maybe photosynthesis if you are into biology or stuff like that. It's more like having a rewind button. When you attend a class, you can't attend that class again, it's gone. So using Otter.ai is more like having a rewind button for your class and listen to the class all over again, and you're able to grasp whatever your lecturer says. So the next tool is Sunsama AI. Sunsama AI. So what does Sunsama AI do for you? Sunsama AI is more for your productivity. It helps you to automatically plan your day around your deadlines. So let's say you're a student that is also working, or you are like me. When I was in school, I actually still build projects. I work with clients as a developer and a lot more. So having Sunsama can actually help you plan your day around your schedule so that you don't have to miss a class for work, or miss work because of class, or miss test or miss exam just because you want to deliver client work. So let's say you have 3 assignments, you have an exam coming up, and you have a part-time job. So this to actually help you schedule your tasks intelligently so that you don't have to fall behind or miss out on anything in your school life and also in your work life. And the last tool, which I said is a game changer and I told you not to miss. So if you've not watched to this point, I think it's the person's loss. So the last tool is Exam AI. Exam AI. The reason I said this is a game changer is because most of the time after attending classes or doing tests, exam is like the major thing that carries a lot of weight in our continuous assessment, right? So having a tool that helps you prepare for your exam, a tool that helps you prepare to the point of excellence that you don't have to miss whatever in your exam, or it's a beautiful one and can help you pass more. So what does Exam AI do? What is Exam AI and what does it do for you? So Exam AI is like an AI tutor that works 24/7 and can help you generate practice questions from your own syllabus. So I'll give an example. When I was in FUTA, when I was in school, I studied mathematics, industrial mathematics, and there was this lecturer that would give us different lecture notes. Now, if I had Exam AI, I would upload this lecture notes on Exam AI, and Exam AI would generate practice questions from me, and even based on how the lecturer, writes their question notes, to be able to know how the lecturer can actually ask these questions, or maybe from examples, can help you generate practical questions that can be generated from examples in your syllabus. And aside generating practice questions for you, it grades you immediately and tells you or explain to you why you are wrong. So if you are studying mathematics just like me, maybe you try to solve a quadratic equation and you missed it, it will tell you where you went wrong and how you can actually walk through it, the best way to walk through it, and how to solve that particular problem. That's actually amazing. It's more like having a tutor that doesn't sleep and can help you whenever you need their help. So let's say you are preparing for a biology exam. You could upload your syllabus on photosynthesis. Exam AI will split this into questions and even essay questions, not just objective questions, even theory questions. Once you submit, it grades your answer, it gives you a feedback, and tells you what you can do better. So this kind of feedback actually comes from expensive tutors. Even lecturers don't have time to give us feedback sometimes. So this is actually a good one for someone that likes to study alone and like to read and revise very well from what they've been able to read. So I would say Exam AI is for smarter studying, and it helps you, I believe, to help you pass more in your exam. So that will be all 9 tools that I think are best for students in 2025 and beyond. If you know a student that should know about these tools, please don't forget to share with them. These tools don't just help you save you time, they help reduce stress, help you learn better, and just enjoy being a student again. So yes, that will be all. Let me know which AI tool you want me to do a step-by-step tutorial on how to use it. And also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment. I'll be looking forward to your comments, and also see how these tools are helping you as a student worldwide. So, see you in my next video.